activity is Shape Hunt. This activity will promote the development of shape recognition. Shape recognition is being able to see a shape and name it or point to it. For this activity, we're using a muffin tin that is upside down, dry erase markers, which you can find at the dollar store, a toothbrush that's old, no one's using anymore, or a makeup wipe. First, you will take the shapes and talk about them with your child. This is a triangle. Take your marker and draw 2 triangles on the top of the muffin tin for your child to play the game. You can draw them anywhere you wish. So I would suggest spreading them out. After you draw the shape, tell them this is the triangle and fold it up and have them put it in the cup. Do this with all of the shapes. What shape is this? Circle. As they fold it, you can prep the muffin tins by drawing the shape on top. If they are able to, they could draw the shape themselves. Maybe you would like them to have solid shapes colored in. It's up to you. You can be creative. This one is the square. This one is a rectangle. Now we will add those to our board. Rectangle, rectangle, square, square. Our last ones are heart and oval. An oval looks like a smushed circle. Heart, by coloring in the shape, it gives your child more to do towards the end of this game. And there is the oval. As you draw it with them, say the name to reinforce the name of the shape. Now the game is all set and ready to play. You may use a cotton swab or a toothbrush. If you have an old toothbrush, it makes the game a lot of fun. The first player pulls out the card and says the name of the shape. I found the rectangle. Then they need to find 2 rectangles on the board and erase them. If you don't have an old toothbrush, a cotton swab also works. A piece of paper towel or toilet paper might work as well. I found the heart. There it is. As they are rubbing the shape off, it is giving them fine motor strength in their hands for later writing. I found the oval. There's an oval. There's one too. If they don't know the name, that's your opportunity to help them learn it. Then ask them to look for it on the muffin tin. Ooh, I don't know the name of this one. I know it doesn't match here or here. Oh, there it is. It's a square. There's a square as well. As children develop their shape recognition skills, they will also begin to see that this is a triangle, and even when it's turned a different way, it's still a triangle. This one is a circle. And our last one should be a triangle. It's a triangle when it's like this or when it's like this. And now you're ready to play again. You could play this game with numbers as well as letters. You could play with 1 or 2 players as well. If you have more than one muffin tin at your house, you could have 2 players playing on their own set of muffin cups. Be creative and change it around. Your children will have hours of fun.